Hello, this is Alice from sewingathomemom.com. Today I would like to make a quick video on fixing holes. I've got a shirt that's got a couple holes. So one is located at the back, as you can see, like on the shoulder when the sleeve is attached to the back of the shirt. And then the second one, it's at the front, at the collar area. So that's the seam broke, or it was skipped while at the manufacturer. So I will quickly fix this by hand. And then the other one, first I'm gonna start with the collar area by stitching with a simple whip stitch technique. So I have the knot already done at the end of the thread. I don't connect these two ends, especially when I'm sewing with thin, delicate fabrics. I tend to use only one string of thread. And it's mostly because it makes the finish job look much neater. It looks clean, so that's the reason why I do that. So when you sew with this technique, you just grab a few fibers on one side and a few fibers on the other side. So a little bit here, a little bit here, and then pull. And the whole idea is to repeat the process. As long as you grab few fibers from each side, the finish repair will look almost invisible. So that's the idea. If you will pinch too much, then obviously it will make the finish repair visible, and we don't want that. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe, share it, and come back to this channel for more content, as I have constantly new content coming in. Leave me in a comment below what is it that you want to learn to sew or fix or alter. What kind of videos, what kind of tutorials you're looking for, put that in a comment below. So here it is, nicely fixed. Beautiful, the hole is gone, you can't see the hole. Nicely repaired. So what I'm gonna do now is to secure that stitch by making a knot at the end. So what I do is I create a loop. So this is the loop. So you would be sewing just like the way I just did, but don't pull that thread all the way to the end. Make sure you leave it as a loop. Then you insert the needle through that loop and pull, and repeat that again. So a few fibers, make a loop, insert the needle through it, pull. Now what I'll do is I put the needle back inside and just make it poke anywhere away from that knot to make sure it's nice and secure. And now I will cut it. Do another knot. So this is the hole. This one I will be using the backstitch technique. I have a video on that one, more detailed one, how to backstitch. Same thing. One string of thread, start at the existing stitch line. So anywhere that you see seam going on, make sure that's the place that you start. Go down, up, and out, right? So that we will be doing back stitch again. Instead of going forward, you go back, again back, down, up, and out, right? And pull. And then again, same thing. Keep pulling that fabric forward to cover the serge stitch to make sure the hole will be repaired. Make sure your stitches are small. And once you reach the end, again, make sure you secure the stitch by making the knot, and the knot you know how to do. So make that loop, insert the needle through the loop, pull, do that couple times, 3 times if you feel like a couple times is not enough. Cut the thread off. And now, because it's on the back, I will apply to this area a little bit of interfacing. Interfacing, it is a like a fabric with an adhesive on one side, and that side with the adhesive I will apply to that ripped, damaged area. So I will cut a little bit of it. So I will apply this interfacing, and here is my interfacing adhesive on that side, the side that I apply onto the fabric. So anywhere the hole was located, you press onto that. Set your iron to the appropriate settings. You don't want to burn anything. Press it, hold it maybe like a 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Make sure it will get applied. You activate the adhesive, double check if it's on. If not, repeat. Okay, and now it's on, and that's it, the hole is gone. Beautiful. Until next time, bye-bye.